Hey guys, I'm showing you this GIR Get It Right 5-piece silicone utensil set. It have a ladle, spatula, flip spoon and spoonula and a non-stick heat-resistant dishwasher safe. So they're the kitchen utensils. I will open one by one. It's a set of 5 as I explained. This is a spoon. You can see the silicone is a premium quality silicone here, and this is a BPA free. The studio white color. Holding is easy and nice, lightweight and strong. So this one is the ladle, as you can see. So let me just open up this. So they are non-stick material and a good heat resistance with around 500 or 550 degree Fahrenheit. Good quality silicone as well. You can see like the flexible thing just to do all your kitchen work. So this one is the flip from the set. So you can just flip your omelette or any other things or the bread stuff. So this is also like a good handle, good length handle, just to carry it easily. And then from the flip side, it's flexible here. The corners and everything is cut nicely, and you can easily flip things from it. So the good thing is they are rather lightweight and is easy to carry, and you can of course wash it in the dishwasher, or you can wash it by yourself. So this is a Spoonula. So again with the same quality silicone with the corners flexible, and then handling is easy, cleaning is also easy, and of course you can see everything here. So my impression for these are a premium quality kitchen utensils that is required like to do a lot of kitchen work. So this is a spatula, as you can see. So for the cleaning and the stuff or everything, so flexible. From the sides you can see like the thickness here. So it can be used for baking or any other thing that you want to do. So I try to do some cooking with this, and as you can see it's pretty easy. There's no issue by you. So while cooking the food, these are all the hot food that I'm doing it here. There is no issue, and they are easy to clean as well. I just wash it with the water or just use the soap and then wash it. So it's pretty nice set of utensils with the 5 utensils in a row, and then you can use it in your kitchen with all the daily work and everyday use.